This could be the car for you. The 2019 Buick Cascada. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Cascada pampers you with creature comforts and shields you with the latest safety features while giving you the agile, spirited drive your heart desires. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, backup camera, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio. Feel the pleasure of the drive in the Cascada. Take it for a spin today.